I think this is the guitar of the day. Can't tell me it's not a cool guitar. Oh, yes. Okay. Hey guys, we got another box loaded with Fender Japan from Japan, but I really don't know what's in this box, so we're gonna find out together. Oh. Okay. That's really cool. Look at this. A little gift. Thank you so much. I'm actually really excited about this. All right. Fender Telecaster. You can't go wrong. It's a classic black, and you've got the vintage tailpieces here, which is really nice. It's a nice touch. This one's really clean. Feels really nice and balanced. It's a JD23, so this is a 2023 model. And it's just overall really clean. So if you're looking for a good solid Telecaster, this could be the ticket right here. Okay, there's like too many choices. I don't know what any of them are though, so it doesn't matter which one I grab. Okay, let's see, a Fender Strat, kind of with that Olympic white with the red tortoise pickguard. Goto tuners. Yeah, what I like about a lot of these older Fender Japans is they just feel really, really comfortable. The way they contour the bodies, and those Goto tuners are really nice. So if like a really nice, solid feeling Strat that's had some wear, got a little bit of that sticker, I don't know what you call that, but like, kind of like the ghosting from where the sticker used to be. You can see the original finish. So you can see the other stuff's yellowed out a little bit. Pretty normal, kind of cool. Let's check this out. Oh, this is a nice looking Strat. That's a really nice, it's a really nice finish. So this is like a cherry sunburst. And then the back of the neck, I mean, just look at the maple neck there. It's really nice, nice wood grain there. And I believe this is the Texas Special model. So that means we have the Texas Special pickups. So it's gonna sound really great. And it's a really clean, just really beautiful looking Stratocaster. Got another Telecaster. So it might be hard to see with the camera, but that's like a really dark blue. It might show up as black, but I'm trying to kind of get you a good angle here so you can see it. Again, the vintage saddle pieces again. Really clean example. And specifically, I should know, I think this is it's the hybrid 60s series. It's gonna have some of those 60s specs when you're playing it, but yeah. Okay, cool. Well, let's check out the next one. Looks like another Tele. Black on black, and this time it's left-handed. So I do have people complain sometimes that I've got like 900 guitars and I don't have any left-handed. So if you're watching and you're a left-handed guitarist, here's your chance. It's, like I said, black on black. You've got, again, the vintage saddle pieces. Just a nice Tele. It's the Crafted in Japan serial number. Feels really comfortable. It's a good weight. I couldn't even begin to try to play something like this. It feels like, I don't know what it feels like, but if you're left-handed, it feels great. So there you go. Got a lot of Teles this time. Again, the Goto tuners. And just a nice, nice kind of, I think this is just the candy apple red finish, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. Another pretty Telecaster, man. We're just going hard on the Teles today. Still got 4 more, so that's awesome. That's another Telecaster. Do you guys like Telecasters? Who doesn't like a Telecaster? Okay, this one's like that transparent blonde finish. So it's a really, I like that finish a lot. I don't know if this is nitro or not. It doesn't look like it is, but it could be. But yeah, I like this. What I really like about the transparent finish is you can just see like that wood grain coming through really well. So it kind of gives you like that element of you've got cool cool color on the guitar, but you can still see that really pretty wood grain they used on this one. Would you guys believe it if I told you it looks like another Tele? Now you can't tell me that's not a cool guitar. You got the white finish with like the black binding all the way around. I don't think I've seen one like that before, but I really like the looks of that. JD19, so it's a 2019 model. Really in great shape. Oh yeah, I think this is the traditional 60s as well. So cool. Again, adding it to the pile of mostly Tellies today. Oh, nice. Okay, oh man. Okay, I think this is the guitar of the day, guys. And how fitting, a day of Telecasters. I wouldn't have known that. I believe this is the fancy Dr. Red finish with those lace sensor pickups right there. Have you seen one like this before? This is definitely that Japan market only kind of vibe. And of course, matching headstock. Oh man, yeah. I don't even think I want to sell this one, honestly. I'm gonna have to think about this one. This might go in the personal collection. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's hope we end on a really good note today. Well, we can't end on a bad note. It's not gonna be a bad note. It's a Fender Japan. Oh yes, okay. I ended on the coolest guitar. So this is like a shell pink finish on this Jazzmaster. And truthfully, I can't remember. Look at this. Is that not a gorgeous color or not? I don't remember if it's a Kinko's FSR or not. But what I do know is they made 12 of these, of this finish. So if you want to get this exact Jazzmaster run, this is one of 12. So I don't expect this will last very long once we list it. But yeah, what do you guys think? You guys like the shell pink finish? I mean, I think it looks really nice. Again, those the Fender Japan finishes just always really, they're always really striking, always kind of just slightly different than what you get in the US. And I love the matching headstock. I've said it before, but I always pay extra for matching headstocks. They're just such a nice touch. Can I just say, before I get into looking at these guitars, I just want to say one more thank you from my partner in Japan that sent me this gift. It's so thoughtful. This is pretty easy for me today. Definitely, I already know my two favorites. The fancy Dr. Red Telecaster with the lace sensor pickups. Are you kidding me? Look at this. This red is just so, like, it's like a, I don't know, like a really light, almost neon red. I don't know if it's translating to the video or not, but I mean, how could you not like that? With the white binding and the lace sensor pickups, it's unreal. And then, going back to what I just was talking about, but this limited run, one of 12, with the shell pink finish. I don't know, I used to not really like pink guitars, but they're kind of growing on me. So, the rest of these are great too, but again, these are my absolute two favorite from the lot. I kind of just want to play on this one, honestly. Cool. Wait, that's it for this video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this kind of content. And if you enjoy what we're doing here, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.